Here's an example of a common problem and how we can solve this problem using what we've learned so far. Let's copy our original cube along with all of its animation information a couple of times, and then selecting each one, let's move them, space them out a little bit so that we can see each one clearly. There are many times when using similar copies of objects are useful in an animation. Let's play this back, and oh dear, that's not what we expected at all. So I wonder what went wrong. What has happened here is we have moved the first keyframe, or the keyframe set at frame 0, for all three of the cubes to where it's spaced out, but we did not adjust or take into account the other keyframes, which are identical. Well, this is a job for the function curve editor. Using our frame 0 keyframe as a reference, we will adjust the values of the other two movement keyframes on the x-axis to match it, basically leveling out or eliminating the movement on the x-axis and using our original starting point as the reference. To be exact, if it has to be exact, you can right-click on the keyframes and go open the Properties panel, and you can set an exact value for all three of these keyframes. Here, we don't have to be quite that exact, so we're just doing it by eye. Now let's play back our animation. There we go. Exactly what we were looking for. But while we're already in the KFE and the function curve editor, let's take this opportunity then to make just some minor little adjustments. Give each cube a little bit of personality, a little bit of difference. Rather than having three cookie cutter boxes that act exactly the same, we'll just change them up a little bit. Just make slight adjustments. Even change the position of the keyframe from frame 60 to frame 50. We can play also with the scale as we have done earlier. And like I say, this gives each cube a little pizzazz, a little personality. Make them a little bit different. Now let's play it back and see what we have. Very good.